Components of desktop.
You already know about the desktop. Let us read about each component of desktop in detail.
Icons. Small graphical representation of various files or folders, programs or applications are known as icons. These icons help to quickly open the files or folders or programs by double-clicking on them. Desktop background wallpaper. The image in the background of the icons is called desktop background or wallpaper. Taskbar. The long bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. It helps to manage various currently active programs. Opened in different windows, we can switch between these programs by clicking their buttons on the taskbar. It also has Start button, Clock, and Open Program Start button. It is known as the gateway to Windows and its programs. It opens the Start menu when we click on it. Open Programs. Open programs are those which are currently running. These are located as buttons on the taskbar. The taskbar also contains shortcuts to open various programs. Clock.
Clock is present on the right side of the taskbar. It displays the current date and time. Even if the computer is switched off, it keeps the date and time updated automatically with the help of a small battery inside.